The Hägele company in Germany specializes in the production of reversible fans. The company's centerpiece is its patented Cleanfix technology. In contrast to conventional fans in commercial vehicles, the Cleanfix reversible fan delivers greater, optimal airflow during cleaning thanks to the precise orientation of the blade profile and not by means of changing the direction of rotation. The blades of the Cleanfix fans rotate on their own axes to face the opposite direction. The product is precisely controlled from the first production steps to completion. After all, quality assurance is the decisive factor in the manufacture of fans. Research, development, and in-house quality assurance provide the foundation for an innovative, efficient product. In addition to quality and innovation, the company's fundamental values are based on integrity and commitment. These values have molded the company's character and make Hägele a very special company. Hägele, innovation meets quality.